Hello everyone, good evening. So we're here from this one in this analyze of these games. So the name of this logo, so these are the symbols in this chess. So the name of this tournament is SEC Days Chess Tournament 2025. So let's see of this one in the 6 teams from SEC Days Chess Tournaments here. Okay, so these are the 6 teams and 4 players here. And also have a 6 teams here between from this BSHTM without hospitality and tourism management within ambassadors from this one. And also second by BSBA or BS accountancy within executives here without business management. And also third by BS Edoc, BS Math, BS English, and BS Elementary Education within educators, and also fourth by BSIT by innovators, and fifth in this BS Cream in generals, and the last from Natalie is from this new from course by BS Nursing in Rising Nightingales. So it means so these are the new course from this BS Nursing, so nearby this one by Annex Building in St. Cecilia's College here. So these are the 6 teams in this one from chess tournament. And also last yesterday, December 17, 2025, so it means 1 p.m. in this venue by 4th floor in this main building in chess tournament in St. Cecilia's here. So let's see of this picture. So these are the without players without playing without chess tournament. So it means so these are the playing of this one in this tournament here without focusing by this one in this chess here. So I take my selfie, so I go to school, so it means I watch all this view in this chess tournament so that the players will learn about concentrations here. So for me, so I watch here so that I learn from experience to how to focusing in this one in this chess here. So it means without last year, so I play in this one by chess tournament, so fourth floor building in this one in this SCC here. Okay, so let's start here. So today is round number 1 here, so it means without no time clocks here. And in this today's round number 1, and also have a between from this BSHTM from this ambassadors here in the Philippines is Lawrence Garcia. So Lawrence was a master from this chess here, so it means he loves in this chess, so it means online chess, so it means so he was a focusing by studies in this college here. So it means so Lawrence Garcia was awarded last year in MVP in this chess in SSC days here. And versus by executives by BSBA here in this Philippines is Justin Casas. So it means without Justin, so he loves the online chess, so he loves focusing by concentration in this chess, and he loves in doing by face to face and to study in this college here and etc. So in this today's round number 1 here in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings after round number 1 in this SEC Days chess tournament. So white plays Garcia is e4, c6 Caro-Kann by Casas here, and also d4, d5, and also knight c3 without book lines, capture this pawn, knight takes captured, and also bishop f5. It is called by Caro-Kann defense classical variation, so it means without bishop, without idea, without threats the knights here. And Lawrence Garcia go back, knight c3, so we need more go back. So it means these are the main lines. Here is knight to g3. Without idea, threats the bishop here without book lines. So it means, so Garcia go back without knight c3. So need more go backs here. And also, knight d7 by Justin Casas, or next maneuver is knight to gf6 here. Without next maneuver here. And also, knight f3 by Garcia, and also pawn h6. Without pawn h6 by Justin Casas, or without no more by bishop to g5 or knight g5 here. So it means without move by this move by pawns here. So it means so these are given W symbol moves here. So the best moves there, this one is knight gf6 here. So knight gf6 here, so it means so these are the ones of this computer engine. So these are the slightly advantage for blacks here. So back there, this one is h6 by Justin Casas and also pawn a3. So these are a W symbol moves by Lawrence Garcia. So the best moves there, this one is push to d5 here without pushes here. So if you captured by c takes d5 here and also queen takes captured pawn. So if your queen takes captured, if you move pawn e6 without threats the queens here. Without idea, without attacks with counters attacks, without the queens, and queen strong move by captured the pawns here. Without strong move here by these white pieces, and also rook here, rook b8 without good move. Without idea, threatening the queens here, disturbance, and also queen takes capture. So according the loves of this computer engine, so these are the slightly advantage for whites and blacks here. So back there by Garcia is pawn a3 here and also e6 here without idea, without next move by bishop to d6, without next here by move on black pieces by Casas, and also h3 without no more by this bishop to g4 because these are the move by white pieces by h3 here, and also bishop d6 good move by Casas here without move side, or next by not yet ready by knight to gf6 here, and also bishop d3 good move by this one by Lawrence Garcia without move by light square here by bishop attacks here, or light square by diagonals here, or maybe without idea, without preparing castling kingside by Lawrence Garcia here. And Justin Casas decided without accepted by bishop captured without diagonals, queen takes captured without bishop here, and also knight gf6. So these are late move by Justin Casas here, or maybe without idea, without next by upcoming castling by Justin Casas here, and also castle kingside by Lawrence Garcia, castle kingside by Justin Casas, and also knight e4 good precise here by Lawrence here without idea, without threats the knights, or maybe without tempos attacks the bishop. So these are a double attacks here, and also decided knight takes captured, queen takes knight, and also knight f6 here without eliminates here without idea, without attacks the queens here, and also queen d3. So it means talk about novelty. So it means so no more book lines by knight f6 here. So because these are the because rook e8 is a old main lines here by database here. So it means so knight f6 novelty by Justin Casas here, and also queen d3. So need more backwards here from these concentrations here, or next move by decided by next move by c4 without next by counters move here, and also queen b6 strong move by Justin Casas here without controls here. So according that in this queen, so need more strong move here, and also decided knight to e5. So it means so normal move by this one by strong move. So these are a W symbol move. So it means these are the yellow square here. So the ones computed the best is c4 pawns here. So c4 without next move by c5 without double attacks. So double attacks without queens or bishop here. So if you decided by move backwards black without queen to c7, or maybe without queen c7, so it means so it is okay the moves here. So it means so So these are the good slightly betters here. So slightly betters from this one. So back there is knight to e5 by this Lawrence Garcia here, and also rook fd, a good move. So it means without, it is called by eighth rank here, without rooks, without move side here by defense by protects the bishop here, and also queen g3. So what happened by Lawrence Garcia? So these are a below evaluation bar. So many below evaluation bar. So it means so queen g3 blunderacious by Lawrence Garcia here. So the best moves there, this one is knight to c4, not queen g3. So it means so knight g4 is a right move. So it means without idea, without threats the, so it means without threats, or maybe threats the bishop or and queens. So it means double attacks here. So if you move by backwards here by queen c7 without backwards here, and also knight captured without bishop, and also queen takes knight. So it means so these are the ones of this computer engine here, so etc. So these are the slightly advantage here. So it means so queen g3 blunderacious by Lawrence Garcia, and also king f8. So these are a proc active move here. So it means so these are a brand X move here. So the branded move is queen captured pawns without free pawns here. Without queen takes captured, so it means without threats the knights here. So it means without threats. So threatening the knights here, so it means so the white, if you move by knight to f3 without idea, without threats, the counters attacks the queens here, and decided by this one by queen e4 without move side here by blacks without queens. So maybe without attacks the pawns here, without idea, without threats the pawns here. And if you move by queen to h4 without queen to queen, so without queen to queen here, and also queen captured pawn, so it means free pawns here, or maybe without free pawns, so it means without queens, without captured, without eating the pawns, and decided bishop captured sacrifice. So sacrifice here without bishop captured here. So if you capture this pawn, bishop, and queen captured. So according by this one by computer, so slightly advantage here from this whites and blacks here. So slightly advantage. So back there, this one is proc active king f8 by Justin Casas, and also c3. Why? Because so if you cannot move by c3, so it means without queens, without attacks, the counters without pawns here, without counters attacks, without eating the pawns. So it means don't forget to defend here. So it means so c3 by Lawrence, so need more defense by this d4 because the c3 move side. So it means need more move side by c3 here by Lawrence Garcia, and also decided bishop captured by knights here, pawn takes. So these are the attacks, the threats, the knights here, and decided by Justin Casas is knight to d5. Good precise here without black pieces, or maybe without idea. Next by here by knight e7. So it means without knight e7. So these are the continuations here, and also without c4, without sacrifice here. So it means without move side by c4, or without attacks the knights here. So these are the threatening the temples attacks without targets, and knight e7 by Justin Casas here, and also bishop e3. So without good precise by Lawrence Garcia, or without threatening the queens here. So if you bishop without threats the queens, so before we captured without queens, without threats the pawns. So these are the strong move by this one, the black pieces. And without idea, without Justin Casas is queen captured pawn. So queen captured without attacks this one. So maybe without strong move from these black pieces. So it means without interesting here. So very interested by this one by queen here. And with Lawrence Garcia is rook AB1. Interesting by Lawrence Garcia. Or without queens, without threats the, or maybe rook. So without threats the queen, so without rooks threatening attacks the queen. So it means if you queen without attacks the pawn, so it means without continue, without captured, without interesting by strong move here. So these are the targets by counters attacks. And Justin Casas is queen captured pawn and strong move by rook captured pawn. So it means interesting by this one by Lawrence Garcia, or maybe without threats the knights, without sacrifice here, without threats the knights here. And decided by Justin Casas is knight f5 without good precise, or maybe without idea, without threats the bishop, or without knights threats the queens without double attacks here. And decided Lawrence is queen f3 without move side here, without ignorance, without queen, and also queen a6 here. So without queen a6, without idea, without threats the rook, so it means does not one of this computer engine here. So the best moves this one, the ones of this computer is need more king to g8. So king g8 here. So these are the right move of this computer engine. So these are the slightly better from blacks here. So it means so queen a6 without Justin Casas or threatening the rooks, or maybe without rooks, without idea, without battery. So need more this one by battery here, and also good move battery by Lawrence Garcia. So need more batteries here, and also queen takes captured pawn, another bad move by Justin Casas. So the best moves there, this one is need more backwards, queen a5. So it means so these are the right move of this computer. So leave here by captured here. So it means need more backwards here by queens here. So need more leave of this captured the pawns here. So need more backwards here by this a5s here. So according by this ones of this computer, so slightly better from advantage from blacks here. Slightly advantage. So back there, this one is queen captured pawns here, and another second good move by Lawrence is g4. So good precise here, without idea, without threats the knights here, or maybe without threats attacks the knights. So I'm sorry, got the tab of mouse cannot proper. So it means without pawns, without threats the knights, and without Justin Casas is knight e7 here. So the guessing puzzle. So what do you think without idea, without thinking of this one by with a strong, perfect, brilliant sacrifice captured. So once of this computer engine with Lawrence Garcia. So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Bishop captured. Brilliant. So brilliant captured. What? So what a perfect brilliant sacrifice by Master Lawrence Garcia. So brilliant capture. So these are the perfect highest evaluation bar. So once of this computer by Bishop captured sacrifice. And decided by Justin Casas is captured. So g takes h6 here without sacrifice here, and also good move by queen f6. So once of this move by this Lawrence Garcia, or maybe without idea, without queen here, without threats the knights, without check. So the check here. So these are the dangers from blacks here, and also rook, rook e8. So without defense here, without rook a8 here, so it means so another third bad move by Justin Casa, so does not one of this computer engine. So the best move there, this one is need more king to here without king g8 here. So if you move by this one by rook takes e7, so it means without good move here, and also rook to f8. So it means rook f8 here. So because these are the rooks without idea, without threats here, without queens. So queen captured, so it means without check. So without check here and rook f8. So rook f8 here, so once of this computer, so slightly advantage here. So these are the continuations here. So back there is rook e8, so it means so defense. So I'm sorry, I cannot see the cannot read from these notes. So it means rook e8 here, and Lawrence is queen captured check. Oh, without queen captured check, so it means so these are a brand X move by Lawrence Garcia here. So it means so the one's computer, the best move is need more rook captured without knights here. Rook takes e7 here. So it means without idea. So how do you do that without controls? So it means without rook captured, without rook to rook here. And also decided is queen captured pawn sacrifice here. So sacrifice here. So it means without captured here. So if you move by this one, if you capture, so it means without check. So without check here. So these are the slightly advantage here. So slightly advantage from whites and blacks here. So back there is queen captured pawn without check here, and also force move by king to g8 without good precise here, without properly active move by this one by Justin Casas here, and also without queen g5 without check here, and also knight to g6. So what happened by Justin Casas? So it means without defense, so it means blunderations by Justin Casas from black pieces here. So the best move this one is move by properly active king f8. So with a king f8, and decided this one is queen to h6 without check here. So without check, so it means if you king, so king g8, so it means continue by check here. So these are the repetitions draw, so avoid by draw. So need by rules of this chess here. So according by Stockfish here by computer, so slightly better. So it means it means knight g6 blunderations. So the guessing second puzzle. So what do you think about the best shot by strong without perfect brilliant sacrifice captured with Lawrence Garcia? So the ones of love of this computer engine here. So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Is rook captured pawn brilliant? Second brilliant captured the rook. So shouting Gotham chess. So it means second brilliant captured by with a strong move by Master Lawrence Garcia here. So it means once of this computer here. And also by Justin Casas is queen takes sacrifice. So it means it is okay by captured by king. So it means so these are a problem by W symbol moves. So these are the yellow square here. So it means so the one's computer, the best move is queen c1 sacrifice without check here. Without check. So if you rook takes captured queen, so it means no more queens by Justin Casas here. And also decided is king takes captured rook, so it means without sacrifice here. So if we move by queen f6, so where's queen f6? Oh, queen f6. So queen f6 here without check, and also king g8. If you queen captured knight with a check, and also king to h8. So these are the according by computer engine here. So it means without continuous, so slightly better from advantage for whites here. Okay, so back there, this one is king takes captured without sacrifice here, and also rook b7 check. So another brand X move by Lawrence Garcia here. So the best move this one is queen f6 check. So without queen f6 check here. So if you move by here by king to g8 without force move here, and also queen takes g6 knight without check, without good move. So if you move by king f8 here, and also rook to b7 here without idea, without threatening by mating net. So very strong move by white pieces here. And if you decided by queen to c1, so it means with a check here, and also king to g2, good move. So it means, so according by this one by computer, so these are the slightly advantage here. So it means, so back there, this one is rook b7 without check here, and also rook e7 without rook to rook. So it means another second blunderations by Justin Casa. So these are a low evaluation bar because the highest evaluation bar from this whites here. So the best move this one is knight to e7, not rook e7 without rook to rook. So it means knight e7 here. So according by this one by Stockfish by computer, so these are the slightly betters from blacks here. So it means, so back there, this one rook e7 without rook to rook here. And also the good move by Lawrence Garcia is queen f6 check without good precise here, without good move. So excellent move by this one by Lawrence Garcia. So it means once of this computer here. And also Justin Casas is king e8 without properly active move here, or without determinations by connected here. And also queen takes knight with a check here, so it means, so knight, no more knights here. So it means without 3 pieces black pieces by Justin and 2 pieces by Lawrence here. So 3 pieces versus 2 pieces here. And also king d8 by Justin Casas, and also queen g8 check. Okay, so queen g8 check, so it without check, so it means without here, without pins the rooks here. So it means because these are the queen g8 check, and also decided by force move by this one rook e8 here without move controls by Justin Casas, or without threats the queens here, without counters attacks here, and also without queen g5 check, and also king c8 without idea, without Justin Casas, without threats the rooks here. And also by perfect shot by Lawrence Garcia is queen g7, good move. So excellent move, so it means without very perfect by Lawrence Garcia, or without idea, without problems, without idea, without threatening by mating net. So because these are the dangerous from blacks here. So it means without loose from blacks. And also without queen c1 check here, without check by Justin Casas, and also king g2, okay, king g2 here, and also queen h6 without queen to queen. So it means, so these are a W's moves here. So it is okay, so W symbol moves, so these are the continuations here without queen to queen. And Also, the last shot by winning by this round number 1 is, this one is queen here, queen c7 mating net here. So it means, so lose from blacks here. So the winner from this round number 1 here within Master by Ambassadors by BSHTM is Lawrence Garcia. Congratulations. So it means, so Lawrence Garcia, so it means very master of this chess here. So it means MVP. Congratulations, Lawrence Garcia. So it means, so the score by Lawrence 1 here and 0 points by Justin Casas. I thought Justin Casas will next round here. So I will skip up this round number 4, so it means, so round number 2, so never mind by round number 2 and 3. So I will skip up this last round, round number 4, between from Ambassadors versus Generals here. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. So it means good night.